USA, United States of America. The Ministry of Internal Affairs advises Ugandans intending to apply for US visas to adhere to the following guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid visa restrictions. This is very key. Any Ugandan out there with the intentions of applying for a US visa and who may not want to be disorganized for one reason or the other, the following must be followed. Number one, submit authentic documents. Ensure all documents, including diplomatic notes, bank statements, national IDs, and any other document required by the US Embassy. These must be genuine documents.